No, actually not
Can you
yet.
hear? You see something? You see my monitor?
Did you share on Google Meet or
Yeah, I share on Google Meet.
okay, okay, let me check it. Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, perfect. So I'm into Google Play Console, and
Yes.
I see that all the tests are closing. Closed the tests are closing. Sorry, and I can proceed with the request about the production.
Yes. Can you
I click.
transfer the language to English?
I don't know where I can change the language in Google Play Console. Sorry,
Okay,
I
you
check.
can translate on the from settings on Chrome browser. Click on the right on option button. Yes. Then you can see on the translate. Yes.
Okay.
And click
Lingua
on
rilevante
option button again.
italiano.
Yes. Add
Ok.
English.
English. Inclusive, it's impossible to translate in English. I don't know. Just one moment, I try again.
Yes, it's now in English.
Okay, now it's in English. Okay,
Yes.
perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, request for production.
Okay.
I click.
Yes, request for production. Click on it.
Okay. Here I think I need to insert the text that you sent to me.
Yes, only first one.
Only first one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then scroll down and for second one and this is for third one.
Okay.
Okay, go to next
Uh,
step.
the next step is here, I think.
Yes.
Okay. With the target of your game.
Okay, put
Uh,
some text according to your game.
okay.
Yes.
All, what sets your game apart? Uh, mm, I can write after, or I need to insert at this moment.
Okay, you
At
can
this moment.
write in this moment, no problem. It's mandatory, I think.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, describe what sets your game apart. What it mean? What's it?
It's English.
Okay. What sets your game apart? Okay. I put on on the microphone. so I can write better. Okay. Mr. Faza, do you hear me?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
hear
Okay.
you. It's clear from my
Okay.
side.
Perfect. Okay. My name is SPC about quickly, quickly, quickly on people and and okay. Your sweet the production channel. What's changed to your game based on what you learned during the cruise test? You haven't the answer for this.
Okay, you can put in the we changed some minor changes.
I can put sorry.
Yeah, you can put it like we changes a minor change. We can update minor changes. Sorry, we have updated minor changes after the testing procedure.
We have update.
Updated a minor changes and improved the app. Okay.
Good, back
Yes.
and I hope the our users can enjoy my. I check my English because I don't write very.
Okay, no problem.
You have request production arches. Okay.
Okay, it
Which is
takes
the
a
next step?
few, yes, it takes few hours to 2 days, I think. After that, the app will be published, but you have to
Okay.
update the new release version. Please make a
Okay.
new
Okay.
version on the app of the
So I
yes. And
okay.
after
Okay. I
unlock,
need to
yeah,
create a new version.
yes, after unlock the
Just one moment.
options,
I
you
will
have to
check this
update the
moment.
app to
Okay.
production.
Okay. I receive an email about from Google Play that my app or I need to check the situation
Okay, you will check tomorrow. No problem.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. I
If not,
do you
then
want that I
you have to wait
update
2 days.
you
Sorry.
Do you want that I inform you about the last step tomorrow, or you consider your works closed?
Okay.
Oh, only to understand.
When the option will unlocked, then let me know and we'll join a meeting and we'll figure it out. No problem. I'm
Perfect.
always
Thanks a lot,
here
Mr.
for you.
Professor. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot. I hope that this is the first app that we can publish together.
yeah, inshallah.
I remember what I have told you at the beginning of our collaboration, and I have already. I'm closing two app. I think in the next 2 weeks, so we can start again with another app.
Yeah,
Okay?
sure.
Can I ask you a question about
Yeah, of
this
course,
app?
of course.
Do you hear me?
Sorry,
Okay.
I couldn't.
If I wanted to update the app introducing the language, I'm sorry, I don't understand what you are
Can
telling me.
you tell me again? I didn't understand.
Do you prefer that I write to you? Okay. If you want for about the next month update this app Cooking Quiz Master, and I add the language, for example, English, Spanish, French. I don't know what language I will I will add. But it's necessary to follow the same steps,
No, no, no.
or I can publish and
It's
it's
first time
closed.
only. After that, you can update anytime. No problem.
Anytime. Okay, my app. Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Thanks. I hope on this answer. Thank you, Mr. Fazal. See you as soon as possible with the other apps, and I will inform you tomorrow about the last step. Okay?
Yeah.
And
Okay. No
when
problem.
I'm online, I send to you an image with my congratulations. Okay?
Yes. Sure.
You have done all the steps that you have promised, and you are. I connect to you on LinkedIn if you have an account, and I put a good comment. Okay?
Yes.
Or in YouTube channel. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay for you?
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you a lot. It's all okay? It's all okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. See you.
See you.
See you.
No, actually not
Can you
yet.
hear? You see something? You see my monitor?
Did you share on Google Meet or?
Yeah, I share on Google Meet.
Okay. Okay. Let me check it. Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I'm into Google Play Console, and
Yes.
I see that all the tests are closing. Closed the tests are closing, sorry. And I can proceed with the request about the production.
Yes. Can you
I click,
transfer the language to English?
I don't know where I can change the language in Google Play Console. Sorry,
Okay,
I
you
check.
can translate on the from settings on Chrome browser. Click on the right on option button. Yes. Then you can see on the translate. Yes.
Okay.
And click
Lingua
on
rilevanti
option button again.
italiano.
Yes. Add
Okay.
English.
English. Inclusive, it's impossible to translate in English. I don't know. Just one moment, I try again.
Yes, it's now in English.
Okay, now it's in English. Okay,
Yes,
perfect.
perfect.
Okay, request for production.
Okay.
I click.
Yes, request for production. Click on it.
Okay. Here I think I need to insert the
It's like with
and I add the language, for example, in
this is the short video on Gmail link. Here you can see the and here you can see the G first Play Store directly actually, right? Oh, redirect to this page and become a tester. If I click this, then it give you this link, and if I go to this copy, and it will go to just Play Store directly actually, right?